What qualifies you to become a successful content creator in 2025? This video, I'm going to exactly talk about that. Now, if this is the first time you're seeing me on this channel, my name is David, and what I do on this channel is that I discover misconceptions in content creation, and I provide with you content creation tips to make your content creation journey a little easier. You may be wondering, why is this guy actually on my screen talking about content creation? I have spent the past 3 years of my life watching different content, and I exactly know how they have been structured, how they have been built. So I have the qualification and the confidence to say that yes, I am the right guy for this job. Now, the first thing that actually qualifies you as a content creator in 2025 is the ability to decipher. Now, what does this mean? This means you have the ability to actually extract knowledge from a particular video, long form, short form. Now, if you're able to extract knowledge from that video, this doesn't mean that you're already a good content creator. This just means that you have the ability to extract knowledge. That's basically what this is. Basic knowledge, and it's going to be very basic because everybody can decipher knowledge from a video. But if you can watch a 30 minutes long video and actually understand what the person is actually saying about or talking about in the video, or if you can actually bring down 5 important points that you actually learned from the video, then that is your first part to becoming a qualified content creator. Now, the second part is recreation. Now, if you can recreate, this actually is a very good ability for you to become a qualified content creator. Now, the recreation part is actually divided into 3. Starting with the first one, which is the ability to understand. Now, the ability to understand comes to us naturally because we are humans. The understanding I'm talking about is the ability to understand why the video was made in the first place and why the people that are watching the video are watching it in the first place. Now, if you can understand these things, then you can actually understand that there is a better way that you can actually recreate it and make it your own style. Now, the second one is the ability to implement. Now, implementation is simply means taking action on a particular plan. Now, if you are the type of person that actually finds ideas but don't actually plan to make them, you need to actually start planning, because to be a content creator, you have to be finding ideas that will help people, because that's basically what we do. We help people by either entertainment, by either giving them information. And on this channel, it is purely giving them information. Now, okay, this one just came down. Okay, the final part of the recreation process is the ability to take action. Yeah, the ability to take action. Yeah, it sounds a little similar to implementation, but I'm going to make it a bit clearer. Now, implementation is actually acting. Oh, it's back up. The ability to actually implement is to take action in a plan. And now, this part, the final part, which is take action, is that this particular process is going to transition us to the final part of becoming a qualified content creator. Now, when we take action, we are going to receive feedbacks, positive and negatives. From those feedback, that is when we are going to understand whether our content is good enough or whether it needs improvement. Now, the final part is mindset. Mindset is basically the way you actually view content creation. Now, you can't tell me that a basic person learning something from YouTube is going to be able to actually decipher the knowledge that you need as a content creator. The way content creators view YouTube and the way a normal person views YouTube is very different. They have both different perspectives, and I'm going to break that down in this video. Now, the first perspective is the content creator will only come on YouTube to actually find ideas that works for him and to actually understand what is going on the platform. What are people looking for? What do they need? What do they need to understand? What do they need to learn? What is their problem? That is a way that a content creator is going to view YouTube. Now, someone that came onto YouTube for entertainment is going to view YouTube as a platform where he can watch funny reels and actually get entertained at the end of the day. Now, that's a very different perspective. So your mindset is actually what separates you from being a rookie on YouTube and being a content creator on YouTube. Now, this is not where it ends actually, alright? This is not where it ends. The idea of becoming a content creator, creating videos to actually help people, that's one idea, is actually a beginning or a spark to becoming a qualified content creator. So I'm not actually criticizing anybody on the fact, on the idea that he should come on YouTube to actually learn something. No. If you need YouTube as a source of entertainment, then yes, you can use it as a source of entertainment. This video ends here today. In the next video, I'm going to be coming out with the why of content creation, why people watch. Now, if this is something that interests you, consider to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be coming with mind-blowing content. Before I leave this video, I want to tell you guys a little story about myself and how I actually understood that I was going to become a content creator. Now, this was in the year 2018. I don't know if you guys have actually enjoyed the video. You guys can just click off, right? So, in the year 2018, I was actually in high school. Okay, I needed something. I needed to do something like, but I felt I was useless. So the first thing that actually got me going was blogging. Blogging was like is a way to actually spend my time online, research, learn, understand how everything works, and see where I am today making content for you guys. So every little start and every little push I actually make to climb up is a very good step to becoming a qualified content creator. Now, if the next video I'm going to be bringing out on this particular channel is going to interest you, consider subscribing. Now remember, content creation is something that takes time, so take your time.